we got this rod for it. Ooh, we got a fancy lady here. No, let her do what she wants to. Let's put this one in. This is super easy, guys. Super easy stuff to change your brake pads. So it's now I'm not just like cleaning it. I'll show you how to repair it as well. So if you need to do it in your car in future, you don't need to think much. You can do it straight away. Okay. So it's not at a good position. It's not at a good position. It is, but it's not. As a backup, we'll put this one on right here. And we can put this one over here. Yeah. Yeah. I got this one second hand, and this always makes this sound. Works well, but makes sound which I don't like. I really want to have that commercial one. Those are this big. You just put them and done. But this is what I got now. I don't care. It's like it does the job. That's what I need. Yeah. No, it's fitted. All good. Okay. Has that lady gone? No, she's here. Let her do her stuff. I don't care. We will have to finish this, and I have a lot of things to do for the whole day. So my whole day is booked. I'm not working today. It's my day off. Like next 3 days are my day off from my job, where I go quite 6 a.m. in the morning to max 3 p.m. So today I'm not going there. I don't have that job, but I have a million jobs to be done for free, or you can say volunteering. Changing your brake pads is easy. Just what you need is good tools. If you have good tools, it's super easy. You have always replaced your tires, so you know where the brake pads are. What I do is I keep it close to me, then I can sit on it. Sit on it. Okay, this needs 12 to 14. Let's have a look. I'll take the biggest one, and then as long, more easy. So this is 12, 14. Okay. I'm not sure. There should be like, from small to big. Should be. I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't seen that one. The other day I was literally missing one of these. Like, no, I want that. That is so good. There's that one. No. Is it?